Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Python interview questions for fresher or beginner to Python programming language. Python is a general purpose, high level, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and open source programming language. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, Netherlands, European IT professional, and further developed by the Python Software Foundation, PSF, PSF headed by Guido van Rossum only. Next, Python's official website is python.org. First, what is PIP in Python? PIP. PIP is the standard package manager for Python. It allows us to install and manage additional packages that are not part of the Python. Next, what type of language is Python? Is it programming language or scripting language? Python is technically a scripting language, but in a general sense, it is considered as a general purpose programming language. Basically, all scripting languages like VB script, JavaScript, Perl script, Python, Ruby, Rex, etc. All scripting languages are programming languages only. The theoretical difference between the two is that scripting languages do not require the compilation step and are rather interpreted. Next, what are the key features of Python programming language? Key features are free and open source. First one, free and open source. Python language is freely available at the official website python.org. The source code is also available. So it is open source programming language. Next, object oriented. Python supports object oriented language and concepts of classes, objects come into existence. Next, easy to learn and use. Python is easy to learn and use. It is a developers friendly and high level programming language. Next, cross platform. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Microsoft Windows, Linux, Macintosh, Mac, etc. So we can say that Python is a portable language. Next, integrated. It can be easily integrated with languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Okay. Important features of Python language is free and open source, object oriented, easy to learn and use, cross platform. Next, integrated. Next, what are the different implementations of Python? Python has a number of alternative implementations are available. CPython, single word, CPython, the default implementation of the Python programming language is CPython. As the name suggests, CPython is written in C language. Next, Iron Python, Python running on .NET environment. JPython, Python running on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. PyPy, PyPy, single word. A fast Python implementation with a JIT compiler. Stackless Python, branch of CPython supporting micro threads. MicroPython, Python running on microcontrollers. Next, Anaconda Python. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages. See, combination of two languages, Python language and R. R also one programming language. It is a open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing. Next, how is Python an interpreted language? Python is called an interpreted language because it goes through an interpreter which runs code you write into the language understood by your computer's processor. An interpreted language is any programming language that isn't already in mission, that is not already in mission code prior to runtime, unlike compiled languages. An interpreted language is translation doesn't happen beforehand. Translation occurs at the same time as the program is being executed. Next, what is PEP8 in Python? PEP, Python Enhancement Proposal. PEP is Python's style guide. It's a set of rules for how to format your Python code to maximize its readability. Next, what is Python path? Python path is an environment variable that is used when a module is imported. For most installations, you should not set these variables since they are not needed for Python to run. Python knows where to find its standard library. You can also select the path option while Python installation. Next, how to write and execute Python programs. See, first download and install Python software. After installation, you can get Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, or you can say Python shell. Using Python shell, you can write and run or execute, synonyms. You can write and run Python programs. This is for learning purpose or practice purpose or for writing simple programs. Suppose if you want to develop software applications using Python, commercial use, in real time, we use PyCharm like IDE, PyCharm IDE. Suppose Eclipse IDE for Java, PyCharm IDE for Python, other IDEs also there. We use PyCharm IDE, Integrated Development Environment, for developing Python software applications, commercial use. Next, how Python is object-oriented programming language. Python is an object-oriented programming language, and it is also supports structured programming, functional programming. Python allows us to develop applications using an object-oriented approach. In Python, we can easily create and use classes and objects. Python supports all major principles of object-oriented programming system, like objects, classes, methods, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, and encapsulation. So our Python is an object-oriented programming language. Next, what is a local variable in Python? See, scope point of view, we have global and local variables in Python. A local variable is limited to the function where it is defined. Next, how to define data types in Python. No explicit declaration of data types in Python. Python is a lightweight language. Not only in Python, you take any lightweight language like VB script, JavaScript, Perl script, Ruby, Rex, Python, etc. They don't support explicit declaration of data types, only implicit declaration. Suppose Java, C++, C Sharp, etc. languages support explicit declaration of data types. Say we can store any data type of value. We can store any type of value to a variable in Python. Python considers the data type based on the usage of data. Suppose if you enter x equals to 100, then it considers the data is integer type data. Suppose if you assign x equals to India, then it considers the data is string type data. Suppose 10.23, that is float. Suppose true or false, Boolean, logical value, like. And we can get the data type of any object by using type function. Okay. Next, what are doc strings in Python? Python documentation strings or doc strings provide a convenient way of associating documentation with Python modules, functions, classes, and methods. Next, what are the Python collections, or you can say data structures? Collections in Python are basically container data types, namely lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. They have different characteristics based on the declaration and the usage. Next, how to read user input in Python programming. Python user input from the keyboard can be read using the input built-in function. Next, how to write code blocks in Python. Code blocks, condition block, if block, elif block, else block, loop blocks, for block, while block, function block, etc. See, Python programs get structured through indentation, i.e., code blocks are defined by their indentation. Thank you.